At first, mold and mildew might seem like just a cosmetic issue on your driveway, patio, fence, or siding, but over time, that buildup can become a real threat to your health, triggering allergies, irritating asthma, and creating slippery, unsafe surfaces. Every time you or your family walk by, you could be breathing in harmful spores without even knowing it. Our professional pressure washing doesn't just clean, it deep cleans, removing mold, mildew, and bacteria at the source. Call us at 713-609-1651 and let us bring your exterior back to life.